Hey there, nursing students! This tutorial will give you a brief overview of MEDLINE, which goes all the way back to the 1700s and has over 24 million articles. It's huge, and it's all about healthcare and medicine. To get there, we'll start on the library's homepage, libraries.clemson.edu. We'll click on Research Guides on the right, and we're looking under Behavioral, Social, and Health Sciences, and there's Nursing. This guide has lists of all the databases you'll need to use. What we're going to be focusing on now is the Find Articles tab. The MEDLINE database is listed as Human and Veterinary Medicine and Healthcare, mid-1960s to present. That's just what we have full text for. And the good news is that everything in MEDLINE is peer-reviewed, so you don't have to worry about that part. When we're searching, you want to make use of all search boxes and options before you dig in. Let's search for health benefits of chocolate. Once our terms are in, we can separate the concepts out. This helps to create a broad search, putting synonyms next to either of these words with the "or" in between them. That's what's called a Boolean operator, and it searches for all the synonyms at the same time. If we type in health benefits or, it gives some suggestions here that we can take advantage of. Health benefits or advantages or positive effects, and perhaps we can add chocolate or cocoa. One final filter you can apply before you search is the Select a Field category dropdown. If you leave it in Select a Field, it will search the article, the abstract, the authors, any type of information it can find for these words. And that can lead to a lot of results that aren't necessarily relevant. Let's look from 2016 to 2021. We do want to limit this to academic journals. There are some society magazines that are peer-reviewed, but it's better to stick with the journals. And you might want to look at things like major heading. This is the bigger point of the article. If you were to create a hashtag about the article, this is what it would be. Something you'll also want to do, order your results by relevance. And let's find a good article. We're going to make sure that we would trust these individuals to write the article, and that the article is sufficient for our needs. Again, MEDLINE is peer-reviewed, so we don't have to worry about that part so much. Looks like a good article. In this article, you can see that we have the PDF attached here. So just click on this link and we're good to go. However, if this link doesn't appear, you need to click the Find It button to see if we have this article someplace else. The new tab in your browser will display the article in our catalog with links to online availability. And that's MEDLINE. It's very similar to CINAHL, and we suggest that you search them both. In fact, we suggest you always search more than one place when conducting research. If you have any questions, go to our Help tab back in the Nursing, Healthcare, and Medicine Library Guide. This tab includes information on citation styles like APA formatting. More resources include how can you tell if it's a scholarly article, quick help topics, whenever you need to get a book, get an article, or have questions about plagiarism. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out, and good luck on your projects.